Isha. Welcome to the success story interview that we have today. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Great. So let's start with if you can just give us a quick introduction and tell us about yourself, please.
So basically, recently I have joined Citrix Software Group India branch, and so totally I'm having 7+ years of experience. So before I joined this company, I took the course from programming Pathshala. Actually, one of my friend she already took Renaissance course from programming Pathshala. I think it was 3 or 4 years back, and she told me that it's better to give it a try.
Okay.
So I took this course. So basically, why I liked this course is because I have attended multiple demo sessions of similar platforms. So we have multiple platforms who are providing similar services. But I took one of the free courses which was available for that 7 days free trial
Yeah,
period.
yeah.
And the way Vivek explained the course, it was fantastic. I mean, he was giving all the small inputs from his side. So he was not considering whether the other side person is a junior or is a senior level. So he was teaching everything from the scratch.
Okay.
So that's why I like that course. And also, like when I was in my college, so in the last year, Vivek he came for some Amazon company preparation course, and there also I have attended his 3 days workshop.
Okay.
So that's why I decided to go with programming
Okay.
part.
Which college are you from?
It's lovely professional university.
Okay, got it. Yes, we do a lot of work with LPU. All right.
Yes.
So which year did you start your journey?
So I started working in 2017,
Okay.
almost more than 7 years, and I took the programming Pathshala course. I think 7 or 8 months back.
Okay. Got it.
So basically, the reason for going for programming Pathshala was I was changing multiple organization during the 7 years of time period, and I
Mm-hmm.
was switching from product to service based company, and then from service to product based companies. So one thing which I realized is based on the experience that I'm having right now, data structure and system design is very important if I want to go to a good product based company.
Yeah, yeah.
And because of switching to different domains and different organization, I was not able to work on the DSA and system design skills.
Mm-hmm.
So that is why I thought of taking a dedicated time and taking off this course so
Yes,
that
yeah.
I can dedicate the 2 hours or 1 hour of daily routine to this particular course so that I can at least recover from all the things which I have forgotten during these last 7 years.
Okay. So with work, you started, studying as well and preparing in 2024.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, got it. And like you were joined through Renaissance?
Yes.
Okay. And how helpful was it? Like, where did it come in?
Renaissance, I think it's one of the best course. Uh, Only thing which was little bit problematic for me was the curriculum which was designed.
Okay.
So based on weekly, like there was one Excel sheet which was shared with me, and in
Mm-hmm.
that I need to give input like how many days I'll be able to work on the DSA skills and how much hours I can dedicate every day, even on the weekend. So based on that, the weekly schedule was planned.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
was if because of some office work, if I was not able to work on that particular day task, then it was getting added to the next day. So
Okay.
so missing the streak was little bit problematic for me.
Got
But
it.
what I remember was like for starting 3 months, I was giving more than the time which was actually entered by me in the Excel sheet. So
Got it.
I was able to complete 80 or 90% of the course within 3 months itself.
Okay. That's nice to know. And were there any other challenges that you faced, while you were preparing
The
and you were
only challenge is that, see, as soon as you get more and more experience, you forget about the basic DSA concepts and other things. So, theoretical wise, I was aware about each and every concept, but practically, when it comes to implementing the problem based on some algorithms and data structure concepts, I was not that much confident. So initially, like even for easy level of programming questions, I was not able to solve within certain time period. But as soon as I started working on this Renaissance course, I think maybe after 1 or 1.5 month, I was pretty much confident that now I can easily solve the medium level question. So the
okay.
content was prepared in such a way that first, for the similar question, first they will teach you the easy way to solve it. Then later on, after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, if there is some concept which can be applied to that particular problem, then again same problem is being thought with some different algorithms. So now you the same problem you can solve with different time complexities and different algorithms. So that is the best thing which I liked about it.
Okay. And how did this help in your, problem solving skills and all?
So data structure wise, see, for my experience, data structure was not that much important for 7+ years of experience, but system design was more important for me.
Got
So
it.
I say, if I take an example of Google or Microsoft, so out of 5 rounds, I think 1 or 2 rounds are for data structure, but other 3 or 4 rounds are completely based on system design.
Mm-hmm.
So for data structure, I was confident till middle complexity problems. So there were few questions which was related to DP and graph. So I was focusing more on that for hard level problems. So based on that and based on the previous my experience of the interview with different product based companies, so I was preparing based on that. So then, I gave 2 or 3 mock tests with my friends and colleagues, and I found that I was not able to solve the system design concepts because my background was related to some other tech domain where I was not using the server side concepts. Then I had a discussion with Vivek. So he gave me the complete roadmap that what I should prepare, what all things I need to focus on. Then he suggested me to go with the system design course. So I took that course. So initially, then after taking the course, again I had a call with Vivek, and then he told me that instead of following the routine which is coming on the portal, I would suggest you to follow in a particular order, like based on my experience. So he personally designed the complete roadmap for me for the concept. So initially he told me that first you go, since you are from Java background, so go with the multi-threading concept, synchronization concept, then go with the system design easy level, then medium level, then hard level. So like that he helped me to prepare for the interview a lot.
Got it. That's nice. Okay, let's jump to your company now. How did you, find this? Did you apply online? Where did you apply from? Or were you headhunted and the company reached out to you? What was that process like?
No, so actually one of my friend referred me into this organization.
Yeah.
So after that, like there was the first round of CV shortlisting,
Mm-hmm.
and my skills was matching with their requirement, their GD, and
Okay.
then I got a call for the interview schedule.
Okay. And how was your interview experience and everything?
So interview experience was pretty amazing. So I mean, I cannot share the exact questions and the number of rounds.
Okay.
But what I can say is, in this particular company organization interview, what I've realized is just reading the theoretical concept is not enough. You need to have the practical experience as well. For example, if I talk about the system design round that I had, so in that particular round, the question which was asked to me is not a standard question. Like many
Mhm.
other organization, they ask you to design a YouTube or design the parking lot or something like that. But for me, it was related to my previous tech background, but it was a system design round.
Okay. I think
So
that's very critical feedback to understand that we need practical knowledge more than just theoretical information.
knowledge. I'll tell you how it is helpful is, see, if you go over the online, if you search in the Google, there are some 15 or 20 presets of system design questions which is already available. Now, if you just read those 15-20 concepts, it is not 100% guaranteed that still you will be able to clear out that system design round.
Got it.
We need to understand why we are using these concepts into these particular situations. So
Yeah.
for that, the course, it was really helpful for this particular kind of situation. And so in my system design round, there was some question related to Android framework development. And in that, so whatever the concept that I was applying over there, the interviewer keep on asking me that why you are using only this particular, for example, if I'm using some design pattern, then why you are using this particular design pattern, why not the other one? So
Uh-huh.
to answer such kind of questions, you should be having the complete knowledge of system
Absolutely.
design background.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Got it.
reading theoretical will not help you out. I mean, I'm not sure about the initial experience. for 2 years, up to 2 years or 3 years, but I'm talking from 7 plus years of experience. So for
Got it.
that level of experience, for that level of designation, I think practical knowledge is more important than the theoretical one.
Got it. Like for final terms, how will you, term your interview experience? Was it easy? Was it mediocre? Or was it a little hard?
I would place it in between the middle to hard category. I
Okay.
would not say it is too hard, but yes, what I can say is if I would have not taken that Renaissance and system design course, I would have placed this interview experience in the ultra hard category.
Got it.
So questions were hard, but since I was having the proper knowledge about the questions and background about the tech, so it was, I would say it was not that hard for me.
Got it. I want to now understand like what was your highlight in the entire preparation journey as well as the interview journey? What comes when you think back? What comes as a highlight for you?
I was not able to attend. Initially, I tried attending the live classes that we used to have, and
Mhm.
also I was being added to one of the WhatsApp groups. So some of the engineers who are working in top product-based companies, they were giving some lectures over the weekends. So that was one thing which I really liked, because parallelly you are also getting an experience of industry. The actual engineers who are working in those kind of product based companies, so they are giving the real world analysis, and they were also telling you that what all things need to prepare for such kind of companies.
Correct. Yeah.
So interaction, that was very helpful. Apart from that, the content, the questions which is added into the portal, that is also very helpful, because if we cover all these questions, I think there are around, somewhere around 100 or 150 questions. I'm not sure about the exact count, but
Yeah.
if you cover all these questions, I'm pretty sure that you can solve every question that you can get from DSN algorithms.
Understood. That's feedback. Yeah. Anything
And for
else?
system design part, I was not able to complete the program because of the joining and other some other reason. So I've paused it right now, but definitely I'm going to complete it, because I want to also learn the remaining concepts. So that will help me in
In
future
the
also.
future. Absolutely. Yeah. Got it. One thing that if you can share, what kept you motivated? See, I would say that most of our learners might be students, but like you were not just studying, you were doing a full-time job as well. So
Hmm.
what kept you motivated? How did you, manage your time or give your time there? I think that is something that will help a lot of learners out here.
Yes.
Your journey
So
here.
based on my experience, I just want to say one thing, that see, some candidates, so everybody have their different goals. So some candidates, they just want to go to top product based company. They are not worried about the tech background or anything. The only thing that they focus on data structure and algorithm. Some candidates, they are not actually liking the CSC background or IT background, but just because of the money itself, that in IT industry you get a lot of salary, this and that, they join the course. But
Mm-hmm.
one thing that you need to understand is, until and unless you are having the confidence in yourself, it will be very difficult for you to go through the data structures and these courses, because if you skip this course for a week itself, again when you start working on these concepts again, you will forget all the basic ideas or the basic concepts of algorithms. So you
Got
have
it.
to keep on preparing yourself every day, and for that, if you have the interest, then only you will be able to do it. And also, taking pressure will not help you out. You have to be very calm and peaceful when you're preparing for all these concepts and for top product based companies.
Got it. So I would say that this is also the key to your consistency.
Yes. So I was working from 9 to 7 or 9 to 8, and after that I was taking out time.
That's
So
nice.
I
Yeah.
mean, I can say that I was not always stressful, but yes, some of the days was very stressful for me, but still I was taking out the time, because I am actually interested in the tech domain, and I was actually very curious to know more and more concepts about the data structure and algorithm.
Got it. Yeah. So yeah, I think that is what brings the dedication and the consistency as well. You need to be genuinely curious and want to, grow yourself and learn new things.
Yes. And also, I mean, I really want to thank Vivek. So whenever I used to ping him over the night, also like somewhere we had a discussion after 11 p.m. also, and
Okay.
he was always supporting. So whenever I was in any kind of doubt related to any problem or any concepts, he was always helping me out.
Yeah,
So
that's great.
providing a good mentorship is also equivalent, and it's also important compared to the courses.
Yeah, I definitely agree. I'll share and pass on this message to Vivek, so for sure. All right. So I think we can end our interview here. Thank you so much, Rishabh, again for your time. And congratulations again. The entire Programming Pathshala team is really happy and proud to have been joined in your journey. Thank
Thank
you
you
again.
so much.